Welcome back, Eco Warriors. Today, we are diving into the world of sustainability and introducing you to a game changer product, that is non-woven t-shirt bags. So, what exactly are non-woven t-shirt bags? Well, they are durable, reusable bags made from non-woven polypropylene fabric. Unlike traditional plastic bags, which are harmful for our environment, these bags are eco-friendly and can be reused multiple times. The manufacturing process is fascinating. It starts with polypropylene pellets, which are melted down and spun into long threads. These threads are then bonded together to create a sturdy fabric which is both lightweight and tear resistant. One of the best things about these bags is their versatility. They come in various shapes, sizes, and colors, making them perfect for a variety of uses. Whether you are going for a grocery shopping or going to the beach, non-woven t-shirt bags have got you covered. In fact, studies have shown that non-woven t-shirt bags can replace thousands of plastic bags over its lifetime. That's a huge win for our environment. So, the next time when you go for shopping, make a switch to non-woven t-shirt bags and contribute towards protecting our environment. For more information, contact us on the number given below or visit our website. So, hit the like button and share it with your friends and family if you find this video informative. Until next time, thank you.